Hello, a very good morning to you. There'll be some very wet weather at times this weekend for many places, but not everyone will see rain all the time. There'll be some drier interludes. It's going to be very showery, in other words, because low pressure is sitting to the west. It's going to sit there through the weekend and into the start of next week. It is going to continue to bring weather systems in from the southwest, interspersed by showers and sunny spells. And as those weather systems arrive from the southwest, they'll be blocked by high pressure over Scandinavia and quite cold air over Scandinavia, it has to be said as well. And so those systems will tend to stall across eastern parts of Scotland, northeast England. A similar setup to this time last week when, of course, we saw all that devastating flooding in parts of the UK. But a step down in terms of rainfall amounts because, thankfully, the winds aren't quite as strong. The atmosphere isn't quite as moist. Nevertheless, it is going to be a very showery weekend in many parts of the UK, and in some places we'll see further spells of persistent rain. Now, we start off Saturday with some longer spells of rain affecting the south and southeast of England. Yellow warning here because a sensitive area really, with a lot of rainfall recently, and another 50 to 70 millimetres of rainfall possible overnight and into the start of Saturday isn't going to help things. Yellow warning also for eastern parts of Northern Ireland, with further heavy showers coming in quite frequently from the Irish Sea. Meanwhile, eastern Scotland sees an easing of the rain at first this weekend, but further pulses of rain arriving through the day on Saturday. Showers for the Northern Isles into the far north of the mainland of Scotland. The brightest weather for western parts of Scotland, and also a drier, brighter interlude developing through Wales, the Midlands, East Anglia around the middle part of the day. But quite a number of showers from the word go towards southwestern coasts. And then during the afternoon, we've got this very lively feature moving up from the southwest to bring some intense rainfall and a sudden increase in wind speeds. Quite a squally feature this, and gusty winds associated with it, followed by further blustery showers. So once again, that could cause some impacts, some localised flooding as it pushes in, some traffic disruption and so on. But there will be some gaps in between these systems, as I mentioned, and where we see those gaps, where we see some sunshine coming through, 15 or 16 Celsius is possible in the south. Feeling colder further north, especially taking into account the fact that there's this strong easterly wind blowing across Scotland and northeast England, and that's going to strengthen, if anything, on Saturday night. Now, the rain in the south pushes north into northern England, Northern Ireland, much of Scotland by dawn on Sunday. Again, some heavy showery bursts of rain associated with this, and the persistence of that wet weather leading to further issues potentially across eastern Scotland in particular. But the rain does ease a little on Saturday night before another pulse comes in on Sunday, so some respite here. Further south, it's clear spells and showers, most of those showers on Sunday morning near coastal areas. So inland, there will be some decent drier and brighter interludes. It's going to be a mild start for many. But as I mentioned, sunny spells in the south at first before showers get going. Those showers predominantly affecting the south coast, the coast of Wales as well. And again, Northern Ireland, northwest England seeing some downpours. But you can see that rain sets in once again across eastern Scotland, becoming widely more persistent into Sunday afternoon, and there'll be some heavy bursts associated with it as well. Increasing wind speeds will make it feel unpleasant, but that wind is going to start to turn, and we'll get more of a northerly feed into the far north of Scotland. That'll bring some brighter skies and mostly dry weather for Caithness, for Sutherland, for the Northern Isles, but also it's going to make it feel a bit colder. That colder, brighter weather starts to make inroads further south as we begin next week, but we've got some wet weather still to come on Sunday night and into the start of Monday first, and we've got further showers to come on Monday further south. Bye-bye.